All right, folks, I just want to point something out here on the HIMS chart. This is IMS. This thing's had a nasty pullback over the last year. I mean, all the way down from 70 all the way down here to 14. So one thing I want to point out here is that we did get the green dot here this week. So that actually showed up on the 2nd of March. Okay, and I actually have the receipts for that. You can see it's up 40% here after the market closed. So that was after hours. So this signal came on the 2nd of March. Okay, I have the receipts over here. We're under the weekly alerts tab here in the Discord. You can see the HIMS is showing a weekly signal. So that is our buy signal. Again, we want to buy when this wave is down here below the white line, given a green dot. So again, this came on Monday. Okay, this is Friday. Okay, we're up 40%. So the signal literally called this. I know they announced a major partnership, but you cannot argue with the data. Again, over here you could see March 2nd, 2026. We got all these signals over here in the Discord. Okay, HIMS was right here. Bang. That was on March 2nd right there. Okay, that showed up at the beginning of the week. At the end of the week, we are up well over 50%. I mean, our position on HIMZ is up massive. Okay, so that was a massive move. Again, the last time that happened was all the way back here in October of 2023. So we took a position on this week, and you can see that happened back here back in 2023. It's 2026 now, and you can see that came right there at about $6 and went all the way up to 70 after that. So you got the same signal here at the beginning of the week. If you entered on the signal, okay, you caught this 40% move. Okay, and I have the receipts over here. Okay, we bought HIMS, which is actually a 2x levered, and this thing's up 60, almost 66%, 67%. You can see bada bing, bada boom. We entered at 121 when this happened. Again, this is the 2x ETF, so it's not HIMS stock itself. It's just the 2x levered. And this was called out in the Discord. Again, those things are up very nicely. And realistically, that move looks like it's just getting started. So we don't sell till this wave comes back up here and gives a red dot. Okay, that's where we want to take profits here. We want to take profits here. Okay, but everything is pointing to the upward direction. They had a massive partnership announcement here on Friday. And once again, the signal came on Monday. So if you guys want instant signals, you guys can get those over here in the trade alerts section. Okay, you do need to be a member of the Discord in order to get those. You guys can join the Discord right here for as little as $4 a month. That's less than a Starbucks coffee, but I get a lot of people asking like, hey, why didn't you call it out? Well, look how many signals there were. I can't call out every single signal. So you just kind of got to pick through the ones that you want. If you guys have the indicators, you can obviously look on the charts yourself, but we do call those out in real time. Okay, over here, you don't have to wait for a video, but that was on March 2nd. Huge move for HIMS, and we'll see how this thing plays out.